Hmm. Hey, how you doing? Wow. I was just looking at this Michelangelo. I guess his name was like 5 names long. Michelangelo, blah, 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 blah. But they just called him, that was just his first name. Michelangelo. I think his friends called him Mike. But I wanted to do this whole rant about how dumb modern art is and how the schools are promoting, this sort of, beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Nothing is real. There is no good or bad. It's just, participation that matters. And I was going to talk about how, you know, we're not doing ourselves any favors by getting rid of this idea that there's objective beauty, objectively great art, that some people are just better artists than others. And I got distracted because I was gonna compare, like Picasso and you know what? I'm way ahead of myself. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna say a quick prayer. Gitche manadu. Daga widuka wishin. Iji minoe. Miigwech. What I said there was, Great Spirit, please help me to speak well. And that'll be our Ojibwe phrase of the day. Anyway, so I was thinking about just trashing modern art and trashing, I don't know. I was just going to do this like whole negative rant. And then I got distracted by this Michelangelo's Pieta. Pieta. I don't even know. It's Italian. I know nothing about this because I'm an artist and I was educated in America, so I know almost nothing. But in America, we kind of rattle off artists like, oh, you got your Michelangelo, Picasso, Andy Warhol. I don't know. Those are the artists. It's like, no, man, look at this thing. It's a sculpture, a life-size sculpture out of marble or something. Impossible to carve. It is perfect in every way. It is the most beautiful sculpture I've ever seen. Forget about who Michelangelo was. This thing, okay. Here's my rant. Michelangelo's Pieta shows that there is a creator. That in fact Gitche Manadu is real. Because it's perfect. And it's beautiful. And I'm not sure what I'm getting at here. Because this is so perfect and beautiful, and it tells the story, it proves that there's a force out there trying to hide the truth from us. They're trying to tell us, oh, don't pay attention to this. Art is just, oh crap, now it's off. I'm not doing a good job talking about this at all, am I? Can I get this back on? There we go. What do I want to say? Maybe I have to start over. I probably have to start over. How much time I got? 23 seconds? Or minutes? Alright, let me do this again. Gitche manadu. Dagawi duka wishin. Daga Widuka Wishin Iji Minoe. Great Spirit, please help me to speak well. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO, and welcome back to the show. I was just looking at this, it's a Michelangelo statue, and it's called Pieta. I have no idea what that means. It must be Italian. And it is the most beautiful, maybe, thing I've ever seen. It is definitely the most beautiful sculpture I've ever seen. By far. The fact that this thing exists puts all modern art to shame. And I was planning on doing a little rant on how stupid art education is, and how he didn't do any favors to the kids by teaching them collage. Oh, this is Andy Warhol. He's a great artist like Michelangelo. It's like, no. Andy Warhol was a weirdo, and he couldn't draw very well, and he couldn't paint very well, and so he just became a celebrity, and the big media machine told everybody, the education included, that oh yeah, art, if you don't like this, it's because you're dumb. It's like, nope. You have to believe your own eyes and your own heart when you look at art. And so when you look at this Pieta, whatever it is absolute perfection. It makes you just get into the state of awe on every level. On one level you go, how in the world did he do that? How do you carve marble to look like flesh and cloth? When you look at it, you go, wait, is that a drawing? No, it's a sculpture. And here I was impressed with Paul Bunyan. But and it's the most beautiful thing. The story is the most beautiful. When you're looking at it, you get insights. I was looking at this going, okay, this is the thing that's so offensive to Sean King, this image of Jesus. He thinks is racist. He says, oh no, there's no way Jesus could have looked like that. Well, this is an image of a dead body. This is after Jesus died, and he's in the arms of his mother. And see, I'm getting choked up. Take two. It's crazy, huh? I'm all emotional just looking at this thing. For Christian people, they always talk about God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son. But so did Mary. I never really appreciated that until right now. Because of this. I've always been really hard on the Catholics. Oh, Mary, you guys are making too big of a deal of that. Well, I get it now. I wonder if I'll have the courage to post this. I don't know. Get your mana do. Do you want me to post this on YouTube, or should I try and redo it and make it funny? You've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. And I'm having a spiritual moment. Because I'm Michelangelo. Nah, because I get you man, I do probably. Miigwech, Ganawabi egg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. I gotta get myself together here.